when writing a lowercase letter in cursive style, always start on the bottom line. To write D, go up, stop, then come back down and round, all the way up, stop, straight back down and add a short tail. Let's see how this looks in a word. Dry is written like this. Made is written like this. Capital letters always start at the top. To write capital D, draw a line down, then with a big curve join the top to the bottom. The word dry with a capital D is written like this. Capital letters never join with the rest of the word.